Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Perry Ellis watch. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your watch. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. So this is Perry Ellis PRY215 1219, okay? So as you see right here, this is SR626SW. That's the battery that we're gonna need. So I already got mine right here. So right here is SR626SW. Okay, so I got mine here. You can order these batteries on online, like on Amazon or eBay. I recommend that you open the watch first, then pull out the battery, and make sure you pick the right model, okay? And keep the parts in a box in a safe place, so you don't lose anything, okay? And make sure you put a little like a towel here so you don't scratch the watch. Sometimes you replace the battery on an expensive watch, so be careful, because if you scratch it, then it's not gonna look good, okay? So to do this job, we're gonna need, like I said, the new battery. We're gonna need like a little screwdriver, a flat one, and we're gonna need this tool. Okay, this tool is you can buy it also on eBay or Amazon. It's called like a watch closer or locket. Okay, so make sure you choose the right. So this one is gonna be like this. Make sure you choose the one, the size for your watch, like this. Okay, and then other one on the top. See, this coming with a different size, so I need a bigger one on the top. See, this tool is coming with different sizes. Okay, depends of what watching are you replacing. So this one goes on the top. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one also on the top. And make sure it's ready. So okay, you see, it's perfect. So now let's put this tool on the side, and we're gonna use now the screwdriver. You see this watch open from here, as you can see the little right here. You see it right here. So be careful when you pull it up, because you can scratch it here. Okay, so be very careful. So let's do this. So make sure you put it here, and then push it up. See, sometimes it's really easy, sometimes it's really difficult to open. Okay, so now let's put this right here. Remember that this little part, what is it now? Okay, goes here. Okay, so now let's remove this plastic. Also, one more thing, you need to have a magnifying glass. Okay, I have my magnifying glasses. I got this at computer store, and I love these glasses. Okay, so so remove this white part. Okay, put it here on the side, and now we're gonna remove the battery. To remove the battery, we go this side. You see the little, it's a little clip here. I don't know, you can see it right here. I try not to push it this way because you can bend this little clip, and then when you replace the battery, it's gonna be loose. So be careful. Okay. It's a tiny one. So I don't know, you can see the model here, but there is. You see it right there. Okay, so now let me get the new one. Okay, right there. Okay, so now you see the little clip here? Right there, it's a little clip. Don't, so we need to avoid like bending that a little clip. So that's why we go from here. We're gonna insert the battery from here this side, and go like down. Okay. Be very careful because sometimes the battery just jump. Right there. Make sure the clips like is on the top of the battery. See right there? I don't know if you can see it, but make sure the clip holds the battery. Okay. So now let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, so now let's flip it over, and then we're gonna put this plastic. Okay, right there, you see. You guide yourself for this opening here. Okay. And now let's see if it's still working. Okay, it's working. Okay, so now let's put this tool on the side, and then we're gonna close this this watch. Remember the little extra part here, so goes right here. Some watches you can close it just by pressing this down. Okay. Let me make sure so. Make sure the letters are straight. Okay. Okay, like that. Right there. Okay, so now it looks good, right? The letters are straight. Okay, so now let's use the tool. So we're gonna put it here. And be very careful, do not over tie it. So then this tool has this like knot here, I don't know how you call it. And then you go, I'm trying to show you. Okay, so you just go like that. Okay. Okay, looks good now. And then tie it. Not over tie because you can break the watch, okay? Just like right there. And now release it. Let's move this on the side, the tool. Yeah, it looks good. See? Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. I'm gonna make more videos about everything. I like to replay. I like to fix wherever I can. So I'm gonna make more videos, and check my channel, please. I have a lot of videos there. Maybe one of my videos can help you. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day.